Okay, now you can just follow the steps very closely here. So I'm going to just pick up the router. Okay, now as usual, config T, and then okay, IP NAT. You have to mention IP NAT inside first, right? IP NAT inside. The source IP, right? Source IP, which is a static IP. The address is 10.0.0.1, and then it will be translated to 15.0.0. Yeah, 11, right? 11. Okay, and the second one, 10.0.0.2, and then that will be translated to 12. Done. Okay, so step 2 now. Step 2, you go to mark the interface, right? You go to mark the interface. So the interface now is interface fast Ethernet. All right, you go to mark this interface. How do you do that? You just have your IP, okay, NAT. This is inside. All right, IP NAT inside. Okay, that's step 2. And then you go to mark the interface now connected to the outside network, right? Which is a serial. So in this case, interface serial 0/1/0. Okay, so now here is IP NAT, which is outside. All right, done. So now Control Z, just go back and check show IP NAT translation, right? Right, there you go. So your inside local now 10.0.0.1 is translated to this IP, and .2 is translated to this IP address. Okay, so it's actually done. Let's try. Okay, now see whether we can ping over the other side. So now ping, which is 20.0.1, is which is server. Yeah, that's a server. Let's say, yeah, ping. So this is one of the servers. Yeah, it's working. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the server to ping the IP addresses here. Let's see what's the behavior like, right? So ping 10.0.0.1. I'm doing it from the server. Look at it where it's coming from. It's not from 10.0.0.1 because it's been translated to 15.0.0.11. So let's ping 10.0.0.2, which is the second PC here. Let's see whether you can get reply. Yes, it's from 15.0.0.12. So that shows, of course, the IP is being translated, right? So of course, you got to make sure, you configure the PCs, right? Which is 10.0.0.1, and the mask, and then the default gateway. So these are basic setups. I think you would have done accordingly, right? All right. So that's about it. So this is just an example of a static NAT. All right. So see you in the next tutorial for dynamic.